TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. All right, 435 in words would look like this. If you solve these problems mentally, you should know how to do them quickly. 535, only the hundreds is changing.
Miss Mahady, please call the front office.
This one, 935. Now the reason why I left this blank right now is because I wanted to share with you my thought process. I know I'm taking away 50. I have a 35 here. I know if I take a 35 from 50, I'm left with 15. So that tells me I need to take this 35 away, but I also need to take away 15 more from 400. So that leaves me with 385. All right, the cafeteria holds 1,000 students. That is the total. If there are 482 students inside, how many more to fill the cafeteria? So if I need to know how many more, I'm going to take my total and subtract what I know. 1,000 minus 482 equals, now I could do that with the standard algorithm. I would have a lot of zeros that I would need to regroup. I could also subtract it in parts. 1,000 minus 400 would give me 600. 600 minus 80 gives me 520. 520 take away 2.
Good morning, everyone.
Equals
this is just a reminder that our new
518.
teachers and mentors are going to have a meeting in the conference room beginning
All right,
at
we'll wait till
7:35.
Miss Stewart's
Thank you.
done. Okay, Ms. Kuipers gave one of her students this problem to solve. The student's answer was 1,034. Did he get the right answer? Well, we can check. This one I will use the standard algorithm. Make sure you're lining up the place values correctly. Start with the ones. 5 plus 6 is 11. So that extra 10 goes up here. Then I have 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 1 more is 14. That's really 140, so regroup 100 of it. 400, 300, 700, 1 more is 800. So, no, did not get the answer right, because the answer should be 841. Miss Jessica went to Disneyland for her birthday. That is true. And that's 1,600 miles from Naples. So that is the total miles that I drove. On Friday, I drove 428 miles. On Saturday, I drove 203 miles. How many more miles until she reaches her destination? This is a two-step problem. I'm going to add the miles that I drove Friday to the miles that I drove Saturday. I'm going to do that standard algorithm. 8 plus 3, 11. This is 30. And this would be 600. So I drove 600 miles between Friday and Saturday, but it's 1,600 miles away. So I'm going to take 1,600 and subtract the 631 that I've already driven. Again, I can do this up and down using the standard algorithm. I'm just going to have to know that if I have a 0 here, it's not really saying 1 minus 0. It's saying 0 minus 1. So I'm going to have to regroup. Can't take it away from here, so I'm going to take it away from the 600. This would be 10. Make this a 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 10 minus 3 is 7. This is really 15 minus 6, which is 9. So I have 978 more miles left in my trip.